Are you feeling stuck in the same spot wondering why? The answer might just lie in who you're surrounding yourself with. Let's dive deep into the power of your social circle and uncover how it shapes your path to success or failure. Embrace your journey, the power of positive connections. In this whirlwind we call life, spending time on negativity or on people who drain us just doesn't make sense. Today, we're diving into why adopting a mindset focused on positivity can change the game for you, leading to happiness, success, and real connections. Ready to go deeper? Navigating through negativity. First off, ignoring the haters. Yes, the world can be harsh, but why let the negative folks dim your shine? Focus on your path. Let their negativity roll off you, like water off a duck's back. Now onto steering clear of users. Relationships? They're about balance. If you're feeling drained, it might be time to reevaluate. Remember, your energy is a precious commodity. And what about the overtalkers? True conversation is an art, a delicate balance of speaking and listening. Surround yourself with those who get that, ensuring your voice is heard, fostering positive relationships. On to the good part, seeking out success and ambition. Aligning with dreamers who act on their ambitions can propel you forward. After all, success breeds success. The value of supportive souls cannot be overstated, especially through life's ups and downs. Treasure those who offer support, whether it's a shoulder to lean on or a cheer from the sidelines. And let's not forget the fearless. Facing life head-on, they turn challenges into growth opportunities. Let their courage inspire you to tackle your fears. You know, in the journey of life, we cross paths with countless people. Some uplift us, while others, well, they seem to have a knack for dragging us down. But here's the kicker. You have the power to choose who you let into your world. Firstly, it's vital to steer clear of the naysayers. Those who love to hate, revel in negativity, or use you for their own gains. And let's not forget the ones who talk a mile a minute but never listen. These people, they're energy vampires, sucking the drive and passion right out of you. Now, flip the script. Imagine connecting with people who are the embodiment of success and ambition. People who not only chase their dreams, but also encourage you to pursue yours. These are your people. They are the ones who light a fire in your soul, pushing you to leap beyond your limits. And remember, surround yourself with those who believe in you, even when you doubt yourself. Connect with the fearless, the ones who face life head-on, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Life's journey is beautiful and chaotic, filled with lessons and connections that shape us. By choosing wisely who we share our energy with, we navigate with more joy, success, and fulfillment. Now, over to you. Who inspires you the most? How have they shaped your journey? Share your stories, and let's support each other in creating those positive, life-changing connections. Remember, it's about more than just avoiding the negative. It's about actively seeking and nurturing the positive. So, what steps will you take today to build a more supportive and inspiring circle? Just finished watching and feeling inspired? Why end the journey here? Dive into our next video and keep that momentum soaring. Your path to a brighter, more inspired life is just a click away. Don't miss out. The next step in your journey is waiting.